Meaning of duplicitous.
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 Duplicitous. The word duplicitous refers to a person or behavior that is deceptive, deceitful, or dishonest. It describes someone who engages in two-faced or double-dealing behavior, often with the intention of manipulating or exploiting others for personal gain. Such behavior can be intentional or unintentional, but it usually involves a breach of trust or violation of ethical standards. Being duplicitous can cause confusion, mistrust, and negative consequences for both individuals and organizations. Therefore, it is generally considered a negative trait and not a desirable characteristic for individuals or society as a whole.